Most old school cleaning products are more about the elbow grease and you put a product on, but you still need to actually clean it off. Whereas the enzymes are actually designed to do the cleaning for the cleaner. And that's the success. You can mop a floor, go home, leave, and the enzymes are constantly keep cleaning for you. So you come back the next day and the floor's cleaner than when you left it.
Our products are unique, the technology is unique. We focus on problem solving. That's the success to Enzyme Wizard. Hi, my name is Raymond Subel. I'm the Technical Director of Enzyme Wizard.
My name's Jamie Flinkier and I'm co-founder of Enzyme Wizard. And if you told me 15 years ago that I'd be running a cleaning solution company, I'd be going, you're dreaming. It happened by chance, by luck. I bought a chemical business and it was all about odour neutralisation. And it was purely on the side to help out a relative. By chance, Raymond and I met through a mutual friend. This friend had an odour issue with his company. At that meeting, Raymond had just arrived from South Africa and we got talking and I said, listen, I've got product. I didn't know much about it, but I had it. I had warehousing and Raymond had the brains. So I said, well, let's do things together. And that's how we sort of created Enzyme Wizard.
Jamie and I then put it all together, put a couple of products together, and Jamie and I hit the road. I did the technical side and Jamie did the sales side.
I'll never forget the first experience I had with it, seeing how special it was a friend of mine's got a hotel. In their kitchen, there was actually grease and oil actually on the wall. Like, it was just unbelievable. And even on the ceiling, there was fats and greases on the ceiling. You can actually see they've been trying with a broom to clean it off. So I actually got one of the surface cleaners and I literally just sprayed the wall. As the enzymes hit the grease on the wall, the grease just started dripping down straight away. And it was just, holy crap, this stuff really works. And I just literally got a rag and I just wiped it. From a filthy, greasy wall, it just took it back to the complete original surface. And it was just unbelievable. And I literally came back to the office and I was like blown away going, this really works. And then what happens was that people would be calling us saying, hey, I've tried that product, it really works.
Got to a point where people were phoning back us and saying, wow, the product really works. We actually end up saying on our label, Enzyme Wizard, it really works, because this is the feedback we got back. You can physically see something happening when you use enzyme technology in our product, because the combination of additives is to the point that you start mopping on a Monday, by Wednesday you start seeing all the organic matter breaking down and the black grouting now starts becoming beige, so you physically see something. We found in some places at the tennis center, the staff came and said, wow, they could physically see every day something happening, and it gave them this, wow, I want to see what happens next. They carried on cleaning until by the fifth day, even the ladies in reception said, wow, the floors have never been this clean.
One of our good customers is Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. Unbelievable hotel, one of the most iconic buildings in Singapore, if not the world. And they use exclusively Enzyme Wizard through the whole facility. One of their biggest issues they had was in their kitchen. The issue they had was, with all the deep fryers and all the staff running around, the floor was so slippery and dangerous. They trialled the no-rinse floor cleaner and it just took care of all their issues.
Jamie and I, we were very hands-on in the beginning, and we'd go on site. I actually used to went on site at 4 o'clock in the morning to train, and they all said to me, they admire the fact that as a director of a company, literally came onto site to train the staff. And it was the first time they'd ever experienced something like that.
People love to go, it's your company. You speak to customers, you speak to clients, and then you come back with feedback, how can we improve things, what can we do? And that's how we've built the company. It's quite a personal company. We've been climbing chimneys in the old days, to help solve problems, eliminate odours, and we've learned a lot over the years. It's just those relationships that we have now with customers that, they know that they can call us and we'll get it done.
The people using the product found confidence in the product. They say, if the director is prepared to come and sit in front of me and train me, it must mean something.
We started off when we started, 13, 14 years ago. I think we started with 3, 4 products. But just over time, people have said, listen, can you do this? Can you do that? We love solving problems. We're always thinking, what can we do? And we're learning as we go along.
We've just grown the business to a point where I'm making a difference to the environment and for the future that lies ahead for all of us.